Hello, Bob Blatchford from Robert Blatchford Publishing Limited. How are you?
Very well, thanks.
Now tell me, you're in Ireland. You're
Yes.
at the Back to Our Past event.
Yes, second year running.
Right. Now tell me, what's the big deal this year? What have you got on offer this year?
Well, we came last year. Everybody said that the normal family and local history handbook was an English book, although it isn't because it has the various sections in it.
Yeah.
We listened to them and we've produced the Irish family and local history handbook.
So this is the first edition.
First edition, first off the press, first on sale this weekend. It's only available here, and the next time it will be available to the public in the UK will be at Who Do You Think You Are at the end of February.
So let's just rewind a wee bit, because some people still won't know what the book is, the Family and Local History Handbook and the Irish version. So what does the book do? What does it actually help you with when you're doing your research, or what does it provide?
Basically, it does what it says on the tin. It is full of facts and information and guidance for you to be able to do your family history. It covers areas that you might want to look in, such as railway ancestors, apprentices, or just generally. And there are also case studies of people of how they've done their family history and the methodology behind it. And then within the regional sections, it also covers things that are researchable in the various regions, Scotland, Ireland and Wales.
And the core of the British handbook, if you like, is still the genealogical research sort of directory at the back of it.
Yeah.
You have that within the Irish book as well?
Yes, we have that within that, and in fact, we've actually called it the Irish Genealogical Services Directory.
There you go, you've heard it here first. So how much is the book?
Well, €12
here in Ireland.
Yeah. And in the UK it's £10 plus postage and packing.
Right.
But it will not be in the shops until after Who Do You Think You Are live, but it can be ordered direct from us for shipping from the beginning of November from genealogical.ie.
Genealogical.ie.
Yes.
Right. Okie doke. And the British one, if you wanted to look into the British book, it's a similar website. Is it? It's
genealogical.co.uk.
.co.uk.
Yeah.
Now that's the 13th British edition has been out recently.
It came out in May.
In May, that's right.
Yeah.
Aye. Okay. And so next year then, when you go to Who Do You Think You Are, if you want to wait until then, you'll get this book for the first time.
Yes.
And you'll still be able to get the 13th edition of the British book as well.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, fantastic. How has Back to Our Past been this year?
Excellent,
Yeah.
excellent. Been really good. I'm pleased that we came last year, and yes, we've been back home and we've talked to people about how good an event it is. John Law is an excellent organiser of the event, and it's well organised, and the people are coming in. They had over 8,000 people on Friday, over that again yesterday, and today, well, you can see how busy it is.
Yeah.
We're at 20 to 4 and it's still busy and it's still buzzing.
I find it's the first time I've been here, and I find it a bit weird in that it is smaller than Who Do You Think You Are, but it feels like Who Do You Think You Are. It's got that
yes.
same buzz.
Yes, it has. Yeah.
It's got an absolute buzz. So you'll be back again next year then?
Oh yes, we're going to talk to John Law later this afternoon. Same position.
But you've done well with the book so far, and it's going to be available in Britain fairly soon. You can pre-order it, and from November it'll start rolling out.
It's been very well received here. Been excellently thought about by people that picked it up and taken it away, and those that have seen it and had a chance to read it.
Okay, well, we'll just take one final look at it. There you go. The Irish Family and Local History Handbook, and coming your way fairly soon if you want to buy it.
Thank you.
Thanks, Bob.
Thanks to